Our Baby Balance Bike is a no-pedal bike. Kids need to use their own feet to reach the ground and move their feet to push the bike. It not only exercises kids' leg strength but also teaches them how to ride a bike. Most kids could have no fear and ride this bike easily because they can place their feet solidly on the ground. If your baby can walk or start to walk, this bike would be a great gift for him/her to start walking and riding, since this bike could help them enhance their balance, coordination, and steer abilities at an early age. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Safe riding toys for 1-year-old boy/girl ideal baby bike. Number 2. Safety design, no pedals design, fully and widened enclosed wheels ensure baby feet safety, 135 degrees steering limited to avoid baby side falling. This toddler bike creates a smooth, easy ride for young infants. Number 3. Learn to ride, recommended ages for 10 to 24 months. The infant balance bike is the best birthday gift for the toddler to learn walking and riding. It helps to develop baby's balance, steering, coordination, and gain confidence at an early age. These make this push bike your top picks for the best ride-on toys for a 1-year-old. Number 4. Sturdy and comfortable, the Baby Balance Bike equips sturdy carbon steel, a non-slip EVA handle, and a softly supportive seat. Number 5. Easy to assemble, the baby bike has a modular design, just needs to install within 2 to 3 minutes, no tools required. You can easily put it in the trunk of a car for use in parks, malls, or wherever a toddler would rather ride than walk. Number 6. Perfect gift, all the materials and designs are safe for kids, please feel assured to choose. Well packed in gift box, great first bike Christmas present choice. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.